Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start fast. Make sure NBA 2K25 is fully patched and you're signed into the account that owns your MyPlayer. Once done, confirm online access and cloud saves are active so customization syncs. Next, open MyPlayer wardrobe and the locker code entry area. These are the gateways to blank compression shirts. You need two-factor authentication set and stable bandwidth. This prevents lost items. Now, navigate to community crests or promo pages inside the game. You continue by redeeming locker codes or opening promo packs. If that doesn't yield the blank compression shirt, search the in-game marketplace and filter for blank in item names. Once acquired, enter the customization editor. Select compression type, fabric color, fit, and sleeve length, then adjust texture and logos to ensure it stays blank. Save it to an outfit slot and set that as your default. Make sure you've confirmed ownership in the inventory screen, so the game applies it consistently. You finish by equipping the saved outfit in both pre-game and quick play lobbies to verify it appears across modes. This confirms the shirt is linked to your profile. If the blank compression shirt disappears, clear your console or launcher cache, resync cloud saves, and re-download the item. That resolves most sync faults. If problems persist, gather your account ID, timestamps, and screenshots, then contact support with those details. Doing so speeds resolution and avoids repeat loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.